Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by ensuring permissions are granted. This avoids interruptions mid-capture. Open the screen clip tool and pick what to record: full screen, a single window, or a custom region. Once done, set output format to MP4 or MOV and choose 30 or 60 FPS depending on motion. Make sure audio sources are selected: system sound, microphone, or both. Then press the record button, count down mentally, position your windows, and start the task you want to capture promptly. You maintain control by using hotkeys to start, pause, and stop. This keeps timing precise. While recording, enable cursor highlights and keystroke overlays so viewers follow your actions. Use zoom sparingly to emphasize details. Monitor performance metrics like CPU and disk usage. If you see spikes, pause and close heavy apps to prevent dropped frames. Once done with a segment, pause, trim mistakes, then resume. This way you create smooth clips that explain each step clearly without redoing long takes. You finalize by trimming unwanted sections and adding captions. Export at the bitrate and resolution your audience needs. Save the raw recording separately, then produce copies at 720p and 1080p if distribution requires it. If you notice audio/video drift, use the editor to resync tracks, align a visible action with its sound, or export short corrected segments and splice them in. If severe issues persist, re-record only the problematic portion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.